Hi class, I just wanted to take a moment and review run-on sentences with you. As I was reviewing your writing journals, I noticed that many of you are still writing with run-on sentences. And I just wanted to take a moment and review how we can fix this and how we can make our writing even better. So first, let's just review what a run-on sentence is. A run-on sentence is a sentence that should actually be broken up into two different sentences. And I know we reviewed this before. How can we fix a run-on sentence? There are actually two ways we can do it. The first one is create two separate sentences. And I don't know if anybody remembers the second one. This is a little tricky. We can actually keep our run-on sentence, but add something to it so it's no longer a run-on. And we can do this by adding what is called a conjunction. And if we add a conjunction to our sentence, it actually becomes what is called a compound sentence. So the compound sentence essentially takes our run-on, adds a conjunction somewhere in the middle of the sentence, and then it makes it so it's no longer a run-on sentence. So one of the ways we can remember our conjunctions that we can use is by the acronym FANBOYS. I guess it's easier to see it like this. So each of these letters here stands for a conjunction that we can use to fix our run-on sentence. This one's going to be for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. So what we can do now is, I'm just going to give an example of how we can take a run-on sentence and fix it using both of these solutions. So we'll add another sticky note. So let's see, I have a run-on sentence that says, I like breakfast food. I like breakfast food. I don't like dinner food. That's a run-on sentence. We have two thoughts here. The first thought being, I like breakfast food. And then the second thought being, I don't like dinner food. We need something in the middle of these to separate our thoughts. So the first way we can fix this is saying, I like breakfast food, period. I don't like dinner food. So that's our first solution. The second solution is to use the conjunction to make it a compound sentence. I like breakfast food. We can add the conjunction, but I don't like dinner food. And that is two ways that we can fix our run-on sentence. Let's just review another example of how to fix a run-on sentence. So let's think. We could say, Johnny walks to school. Billy drives to school. Now here is another run-on sentence because we have two thoughts. Our first thought being Johnny walks to school. Our second thought being Billy drives to school. And there's nothing in between those thoughts to break them up. First way we can fix this run-on sentence is by splitting it up into two sentences. First sentence would be Johnny walks to school, period. Billy drives to school. Another way we can fix this is by adding a conjunction. Johnny walks to school and Billy drives to school. So this one, we split it up into two separate sentences. This one, we added a conjunction. Both of them are completely acceptable, and both of them are ways to fix your run-on sentences.